Here's your quick guide to Illinois State Constitution Review, the packet. Illinois legislators known as the General Assembly. They have a House and a Senate. There are 59 legislative districts. Those are for your senators and representatives. There's 118 representative districts. So 59 legislative, that correlates with your 59 senators. 118 correlates with your state representatives. The state representatives have a 2-year term, and what's confusing with Illinois is that senators have 2 or 4 years. They're on a rotation of 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, or 4, 4, 2. In order to serve in the General Assembly, you have to be 21 years old, resident of the state for 2 years, resident of the district that you represent. Either house can start a bill in the General Assembly. A bill must be read 3 times to make modifications, and then it must be presented to the governor. General Assembly begins each year on the second Wednesday in January. The position of the leader of the Senate is the President of the Senate, elected by the peers in the Senate. Speaker of the House and the House of Representatives, also elected by the peers. You need a majority vote to pass bills in both houses. The Senate then tries an impeachment of an executive official, and the General Assembly can propose amendments to the Constitution. As far as the executive branch goes, there's 6 positions: constitutional offices, governor, lieutenant governor, attorney general, secretary of state, comptroller, treasurer. They all serve 4 years. You have to be 25, a U.S. citizen, and resident of the state for 3 years. The roles of the governor, responsible for the faithful execution of all the laws, appoint elected officials, and he can also remove those officials and pardon prisoners. The treasurer, responsible for safekeeping of money and investments for the state. Secretary of State, official record keeper. Lieutenant governor exercises powers given to that person by the governor. And then who can the governor remove? Anyone he or she appoints. The order of succession: lieutenant governor, attorney general, secretary of state, comptroller. Judicial branch: the Supreme Court's made up of 7 people. They hear revenue cases, prohibition cases, habeas corpus cases, as well as appeals. They serve 10 years. And the Supreme Court appellate court judges also serve 10 years. The chief legal officer in the Illinois government is the Attorney General. Other information here: 3 offices in each county that each county must have is a sheriff's office, county clerk, and a treasurer. The leader of the state militia is the governor. The state was founded in 1818. The newest constitution was ratified in 1970. Article 1 of the Constitution forbids discrimination against anyone with a physical or mental handicap. Public money must be used for only public purposes. Illinois state can tax your income, your property, and they have a sales tax. The 10th article provides free education to anyone through secondary school or high school. Then according to Article 12, the legislative branch is allowed to form a state militia.